Yes, ma'am.
I want to take this opportunity to introduce Bally Eye.
And the fight is on. Look at that one.
As you all may know, earlier, about a month or so ago, the Virgin Valley Art Association, they challenged people to come pick up a cutout of a coyote and to paint it, decorate it, do whatever they wanted, and it's a contest. So we're all supposed to be putting these out in front of our business for people to go around and see and to vote for their favorite one. Well, we're from Wolf Creek, so we converted our coyote to a wolf, and his name is Bally Eye, and Bally Eye means a Mexican gray wolf. And so here we have Bally Eye. Because we're at Wolf Creek, very few people drive by. We've been taking him about town. He arrived at the airport. He went to Lottie Paws to be groomed. He's been to Daniel's Chocolates and got some wonderful snowy popcorn. And I think this afternoon we've been told we're going to jail. So we may need to get bailed out. So anyways, we want everyone to be aware of this and to support the Virgin Valley Art Association and this endeavor, and take the time to go around to the businesses to see everyone's different coyote/wolf and vote for your favorite one. And of course, we think this is going to be the favorite one. Thank you.